Hi guys, hi, welcome to my channel again. Sorry, I had to make this video while I'm cooking, so I'm just like marinating some chicken and gonna have it with vegetables, bowl, sweet shots, and we're gonna have it with salsa. Yeah, like I said, I have babies with a Zimbabwean guy, so we eat pretty much Congolese food and Zimbabwean food and Cameroonian food. Anyway, why I'm coming to talk to you quickly, I decided to talk to you quickly through this video, is because I received a gentleman kindly left me a message on one of my videos, and he just commented to kind of explain to me why Zimbabweans don't talk much about their country, when I was saying that, oh, it's such a beautiful country with so much to learn and so much beauty. And he said that Zimbabwe was not at its best glory at the moment. And I totally understand. I understand his viewpoint and where he's coming from, because guess what? I'm from Congo, and I think right now there's a part of Congo that's has a civil war, which is being attacked in Goma. So Congo GRC has been suffering from civil war for like many years now, but yet it's one of the richest country in the world with all our mines and everything. But we as Congolese, we don't let the negative narrative of Congo take over the beauty of our land, of our country, of our history, of who we are as people. So I love Congolese people, and I'm also half Cameroonian. So I also celebrate that side of Africa, that country as well. And that's the same thing with Cameroonian people. Like, you cannot say to Cameroon, like, don't point the negativity about Cameroon to a Cameroonian, because they're going to have a proper go at you, like proper. And that's the same thing with Congolese people, like, because we are so proud. We are so proud of who we are, where we come from. We embrace the good. We recognize there's bad, but we also embrace and recognize the good, and we choose to celebrate the good. Who doesn't know about Congolese dance? Who doesn't know that Congolese people like to dress up? Who doesn't know about Congolese music? Like, that's what we carry around in the world. And we have great entrepreneurs, we have like amazing things happening in Congo that we always try to portray to the world, instead of having the negative narrative. So I totally understand where he's coming from. So my advice is, like, we as young African of today, we are the one to change the narrative. Yes, there are bad things that are happening. Yes, there's poverty. Yes, there's this and that. But let's not just focus on that and spend all our time just complaining. What are the solutions we are bringing on the table as young people, as the young generation, to bring change, you know? And for me as a fashion designer, my way to bring that positiveness, to change the narrative of Africa, is through my fashion, through my craft. So I get inspired by my continent, by my country, by different African countries and culture, and then I celebrate it and showcase it to the world. And every time I feel so proud to say, when they ask me, so where did your inspiration come from, I'm proud to say it comes from Cameroon, it from Congo. My collections, I always name them after Lingala's language, like Mobali collection, Moi collection. So I always put my culture, my language, my tradition out there for the world to know. Don't just come and tell me, oh, there's there's civil war in Congo. I know there's civil war in Congo, but I don't have to like talk about it all the time. I don't have to dwell onto it, because I know that my country has much more to offer. I know that Cameroon has much more to offer, and we know that Zimbabwe has more to offer. So let's celebrate that, you know. The more we make noise about those, the less we will hear about the negative things. So that's my advice, and that's my response to his comments, that I totally understand, and I understand where he's coming from. But we as young African, is our duty, yeah, to change the narrative and show the beauty and the good of Africa. That's what we that's what we have to do. Because the more we talk about just the negative, that's what's gonna stay. That's already what they're showing. They're telling the rest of the world. So if us ourselves continue with the same narrative, then they will never know and see the beauty that Africa has to offer. So like I said, I've been watching, this is one of the reasons I love watching WODE videos, because he's one of those people, one of those young African that is changing the narrative of Africa by showing the real positiveness, the amazing things, the things that people are creating and are doing, and in Africa, the nature, the beautiful nature resorts and everything that we have in Africa. So this is one of the reasons I follow his page. I watched one of these videos he made when he was sent out, deported from Uganda. I was really sad watching that video, because that's one thing we don't have among us African. We are not united. We don't help each other. We see the bad on each other instead of seeing good. We are very ready to help those who don't look like us than helping our own brothers, and that's really, really sad. We need to, that's something that I think they have put into us since slavery, to hate on each other. So to divide, they have to divide and conquer. So they divided us to conquer us, to take what we have and that unity we have, and we need to make sure we break that and learn to come back together and work together and be united, because together we can achieve, you know, the world is the limit, like the sky is the limit. We can achieve the best. We will do great things for our continent. So that's my message, that's my response to that lovely subscriber who left a message on my page. And if you have any comments, or you would like to give me your thought about a topic that I talk about, please feel free to leave a comment below, and I will make sure I respond to you. Right, so I finished making my salsa, yeah, and the vegetables are ready too, and I'm gonna have I fried the chicken as well, and I'm gonna have, let me see, can I get the chicken? Got the chicken, so just have a piece, yeah. So bon appetit, and I will see you soon. Let me go enjoy my dinner. Bye.